So I'm guessing you're here today because your Rockstar account has messed up a bit. Your account verification has not worked and you have not got the email. Well, I've been looking into this and I've found a little solution. So I don't know if you can call it a solution really, but on the Rockstar website, as it says here, it says, "We are aware of an issue resulting in social club account verification email delays and are actively working to resolve it. Players who have not received their account verification email after 4 hours should resubmit an email verification request." And normally this will take about 5-10 minutes to come through the email max. But obviously, as it's come out on Epic Games and loads more people are getting it, I think they just got to clog up with the server. So what you need to do, if you've just gone and got your GTA 5 or any other thing, you want to log into Social Club for it, because obviously GTA 5 needs Social Club, so you can't actually go anywhere without it. And I've been trying for the past few hours because I just downloaded it now on my PC for free, obviously with the Epic Games. So I've been trying to do this, but I've been trying for a couple of hours. I was like, it's not working. I made many accounts. I thought it might be my age. It does not matter any of that. It's the servers. So what you need to do is you need to go on support.rockstargames.com/service status or status, and it will tell you whether the servers are up, what's happening with your email, whether it's coming through, whether it's not, whether you've got to wait a while. So this one says wait 4 hours and resubmit it. I would say if you haven't got the email in about 2 hours, maybe try again and then do another 2 hours and try again. Or try at least a couple times first just to make sure there's nothing in the details that you put in. It shouldn't be though, everything should be fine. If you've checked everything and it's all fine, you just have to wait. The servers are probably down, but make sure to check that the server status is definitely saying that. And then you're good to go. And then once the servers are back up, which will hopefully be soon, then everything will be fine. And it would resolve your problem and you can get back to playing GTA. I hope this has helped some of you guys. I know it wasn't very factual, but if you guys are a bit lost and don't know where to go, then just look on the status website and that tells you everything that's happening. Hope this has helped some of you. Go check out my last video. It was pretty funny. I was reacting to some TikToks, top-notch content that. This did help some of you though, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.